Today we will learn Google Forms event registration. For that, open a browser and type Google Forms. Then click on the link Google Forms free online service for personal use. Then next is you have to go to Google Forms. If you are using a computer or a laptop, you will get a template gallery. So you can click on template gallery for event registration Google Form. So if you see over here template gallery, you will get this is a event registration form which is ready-made template available to you. Event registration, and this is the form. Now in case if you are using mobile, you will not get ready-made or a template for a Google form. So we have to create a blank Google form for a event registration. So I will click on blank form. So over here we will write event registration. Here you can mention event timing and other description about the form, like event timing. Say it is from 22nd October, 29th from 29 to 30th twenty 21. Then you can mention event address. Mention the event address. Then contact us. Here you mention phone number. After that we will ask now question. We want it is for event registration. So we want to know the name of the person who will register for the event, phone number, then email ID, organization, everything we want to know about the person who will register for our event. So first thing we will take the name of the person, name. So over here we will make this as a required because we want to know the name of the person. We will make it as a short answer. Then we will click on plus. We will take email. Again we will make this as required. Then we will again ask organization. Even this we will make required. Then we will ask what days will you attend. This also we will make required. Okay, so over here day 1. See, our event we have considered from 29 to 30th. So it is there only for 2 days. So we will ask about day 1 and we will ask about day 2. Again this we will make required. Then we will ask for dietary restrictions. What type of food will be preferred? Dietary restrictions. So you want to know about dietary restrictions. So we will consider vegetarian, then we will consider vegan, and we will consider non-vegetarian. Even will make required. So among these, a person whoever is registering for the event have to choose type of food that will be preferred by him or her. Or one more option we will give, any other type of food if that person will prefer. Okay. Then type of identity that will be produced during event. So over here we have driving license, then we will take PAN card, and voters card. Even this question we will make required. So the moment you make questions required, here asterisk will come. Okay. Then do you want accommodation? So we have option S, no, and we will make required. In case if you want to upload the photo, please upload passport size photo, and over here we will take, so short answer we will not take, drop will take file upload. Files will be uploaded to the form owner's Google Drive. Respondents will be required to sign in to Google when the file upload questions are added to form. Okay. So we'll do continue. So what type of file do you want the respondent to upload? Only specific types file I will choose, and I want image. So maximum size you can vary. I will make it less also. No issue with that. So maximum number files 1, maximum file size 1 MB. And I will make compulsory, and my form is done. So now I will see the preview of form. So this is my event registration form.